Meaning of distressingly.
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 Distressingly. Distressingly is an adverb that describes something that causes distress or unhappiness. It means causing intense feelings of discomfort, sadness, or frustration. When something is described as distressing, it often evokes negative emotions such as fear, anxiety, or sorrow. The word implies that a situation or event is deeply troubling and has the potential to cause harm or damage. Distressingly can be used to describe a wide range of situations, from personal tragedies to global crises, that elicit strong negative emotions in people who experience them.